So the plan is tomorrow I'll be on the pontoon boat, and the brother-in-law is going to be on the pontoon boat. He has rigged this thing out. Pole holder here, pole holder there, depth finder. The trolling motor, you control it here. Watch. Right beside your seat, and when you turn the seat, it steers the trolling motor. Oars, who needs oars? They're stapled onto the back. That front seat's going to be that bucket's going to be a front seat. 2 pole holders in the front. What am I missing? Anything? All for what? $350?
Just the boat was $350.
The boat was $350. Can't wait till tomorrow.
Hold on, not yet.
No. No? This one. Let me help with this one, okay? Okay?
Alright, watch out. So apparently,
over 2. Wait, you're using those?
mm-hmm.
Wait, you helping me? You helping me?
Am I helping you?
Yeah, you're helping me.
It's nice how your custom seat fits right in the grooves.
Uh-huh. I got some better washers. Like this, and then you tie this. Tie this back here to hold it in place. Take this, tie this off a couple times. So now that just sits up there, and that's how you control it.
Wait till they see the steering.
Yep. And so once I put the brackets on here, it'll have hand-free steering. So now, take this out. Slide this on this. Back in. one was which shit? Should I mark them? So I gotta get this turned around though. But I need to let that down a little more so that's tight. Pretty slick, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So you got your control here, speed control, and then your steering wheel on your seat.
And the brother-in-law's got his homemade, not homemade, his inflatable pontoon boat upstairs. Gotta get it unloaded.
You're just standing in the water.
He's a water stander.
Yeah, these are these little bitty tiny things here. Get it down?
Yep, it's down on the ground.
There you go.
I'm pretty sure it's a shark.
Something big. You bring him in. Don't let pressure up on him. Oh, you're getting him close, Joshua. You got him closer than I got one yesterday. He's getting close. I see the cork. Keep getting closer. Let's see what it is here. Is it a shark? Keep bringing him up. Keep bringing him up. Is it a shark? It's a shark. I see him. Keep going. Look at that shark, Joshua. That's a baby. Look at that shark. Keep bringing him up. Closer. Is it a bull shark or a black tip? Look at that shark, buddy. Look at you. Oh, let him run. 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 Dude, that shark's probably 60, 70 pounds, Joshua. That's a nice shark, bud. Wow, look at him run. You tired?
Yeah, hanging all the time.
You want me to take over? I knew that's what those were yesterday. Kept breaking me off. They're sharp teeth. I think it's a little bull shark, but I'm not sure.
They fight hard.
Yeah, they do, don't they? Look at him. He's coming back to the top again.
Yeah.
Look at that. Get him up here. You're wearing him out. Keep bringing him up. Keep bringing him up. Keep bringing him up. Keep bringing him up. Look at that. All right, stop right there.